What if I told you that one cabbage leaf could transform your plants overnight? Let me show you this hidden garden trick no one talks about. Cabbage isn't just food for us. Its leaves are packed with nutrients like calcium, potassium, and natural moisture that plants love. And today, I'll show you how wrapping your plant in one can give it a growth boost you'll see in just days. Fresh cabbage leaves, green or purple. String, soft plant tie, or garden tape. 1. Choose the right leaf. Pick a large, fresh cabbage leaf with no holes. 2. Wrap around the stem. Gently wrap the cabbage leaf around the base of your plant stem or just above the soil line. 3. Secure in place. Use soft string or garden ties to hold it in place, but make sure it's not too tight so the stem can still breathe. In less than a week, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and even healthier blooms, all from one simple cabbage leaf.